Dexnor case for Samsung. Galaxy S21 Ultra. Built-in screen protector and kickstand. Military-grade, heavy-duty protection. Shockproof case for Samsung. Galaxy S21 Ultra. 5G 6.8-inch brand. Dexnor. Compatible phone models. Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra Color Black. Compatible devices. Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra material. Thermoplastic. Polyurethane polycarbonate. Compatibility. This lightweight yet rugged case only fits your Galaxy S21 Ultra. 6.8-inch. Perfectly without any bulky feel. Notes. Not compatible with Galaxy S21 6.2-inch and Galaxy S21 Plus 6.7-inch. Please check the phone model carefully before purchasing. 360 degrees heavy-duty protection. In addition to the full body coverage of the front and back cases, the reinforced corners and raised edges around the camera and screen will offer your Galaxy S21 Ultra 6.8-inch more protection against drops, cracks, and scratches. Multifunctional back kickstand. The retractable kickstand is very stable to use, allowing you to enjoy hands-free viewing in portrait or landscape mode. You can also swipe your finger through it to manipulate the phone with one hand. Wireless charging compatible. Our bumper case does not interfere with wireless charging. You can charge your cell phone wirelessly with this case on. Touch-sensitive screen protector. The built-in screen protector of our protective phone case is not only scratch and smudge resistant, but also responds to your touch, allowing for smooth typing and gaming without any lag. Before continuing, if this video provided value to you, give me a like, subscribe, join, discover, share. It doesn't cost you anything, it's free, and you help me a lot, and may God bless you. On Amazon, save money, find the product you need, have fun, and make the best decisions. Simple and direct, fast shipping from Amazon. Amazonia Express is your trusted channel.